Hey guys, Kyle from J.Racenstein, and we got the ProTool DualForce 25 solar brush with a brand new update, new pull to go with it. So this is a ProTool Apex solar pull, specifically designed to work with the ProTool 25-inch brush or the J.Racenstein rotary brush. It's got the adapter pre-installed. It's got an anti-spin adapter and an anti-spin sections just like the ProTool Apex water-fed pull. So when you open it up, the sections won't spin on you. So when you're using this pole and you got that brush 25, 30 feet out on this 30-foot pole, you don't have to fight the section spinning or the adapter spinning in the number 2 section up on top as well, the first section. So super cool addition to that DualForce 25 brush. Makes this brush that's really well balanced with this pole that's not gonna spin on you really easy to work with when you're working really far away, whether you gotta work from a lift down onto the panels because you gotta get up and above, or you've got a big incline or any of those tricky situations where it's not just a panel right in front of you. This brush and pole works really well together to keep that brush easy to use, easy to get into the corners. When you get close to that edge of the panel and you're trying to get the panel 100% clean, you don't have to worry about this brush and this pole going off the back or off the front and risk having to try to figure out how to get back up on the panel. You can get over the edges with those round brush heads and get 100% of the panels and the corners without worrying about it running off the pole, off the panel from you. So pretty sweet update to the ProTool DualForce 25 brush with the ProTool Apex solar pole.